In 2020, we have been producing 3,900 billions of liters of ethanol just for USA. The chemical industry would have need to plant 69 billion of trees in order to compensate their own carbon footprint per week. You can imagine we can just replace that by one and unique solution called Aquama Indigo. Made out of water, salt, and electricity. Aquama is 99.99% less polluting than the chemical. The life cycle assessment of Aquama is 0.06 kilograms CO2 equivalent, meaning 40 grams of pasta, 300 meters by car, 18 minutes of the carbon footprint of a French citizen, 1 gram of beef, or just 180 milligrams of coke. Our goal is clear. We would like to reverse the curve of the chemical we use every day by 2013. We can achieve that only with the Aquama solution made out of water, salt, and electricity locally, meaning 1.4 billions of liters of Aquama per day. Don't forget, the past is in your head, the future is in your hands.